Let's take a look at what unions are doing. Union membership is decreased from 20% of the US workforce in 1983 to about 11% recently. The AFL-CIO also continues to press its case, for instance, opposing new tax laws that would kill jobs and opposing a bill that would slash support for health programs that benefit working families. Unions are also increasingly successful in organizing new economy firms. Unions are also becoming more proactive in coordinating their efforts. For example, to support its efforts to unionize Nissan autoworkers in the United States, the UAW enlisted union members in Brazil to picket Nissan dealerships there. As mentioned earlier, support for unions has always ebbed and flowed in America, and the past few years have been no different. For example, in late 2014, the NLRB published its final rule on so-called quickie union elections. By allowing unions to call elections in as little as 13 days after filing a representation petition, labor experts expected this rule to make it more difficult for employers to present their arguments against the union. And after being exempted for many years from having to disclose their participation with each other in union campaign, employers and their union campaign consultants and attorneys now must report their relationship. Then, in 2017, President Donald Trump appointed a Republican labor law attorney for a vacancy on the NLRB. Experts assume that the board will now move to reverse some of its Obama-era decisions. Republicans in the House of Representatives were pushing for countrywide right-to-work legislation.